Alright, we are here at the C Pavilion at the Hospital Enfant-Jésus, Quebec City. Look what I just found. Otis black button. Here it is. Oh, it has nice leveling too. Slap on mod. I don't know where it's gonna go, but go into the basement first. Alright, let's go to 6, I guess. Here's your interlock. Basic hospital cab. And we'll get off on 1. No phone. I do not understand what that sign says, but I'm hoping that doesn't mean this is gonna get modded. I mean, this one I could care less about, but the touches, though, I would hate to see. There you go. Here we are on 1. Very nice leveling. That's gonna be it.